Xinxiang Alpha Manufacturing Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter of various science and educational toys, as well as kids' arts and crafts products. Our award-winning products are being distributed all over the world, including US, Australia, England, Germany, and etc. We are located in the middle of China, Xinxiang City, Henan Province. Enjoying convenient transportation, the city has sufficient labor resources that enable us to meet all customer demands in terms of delivery and production capacity. Alpha has a professional R&D team, which is the most important functional team in our organization. It was established in 2007. Our team come up with abundant amount of creativities ourselves and launch new products every year. In addition, our R&D team help customers move from ideation to actual product and help them improve original designs to make it more user-friendly and achieve better sales. Alpha is a fully certified company with GSV, ISO 9001, and we pre-test all of our raw materials timely to make sure the safety of components. Tremendous amount of investment had been made into testing to ensure product quality. Our design, research capabilities, as well as excellent product quality and first-class service truly set us to be unique from our industry. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.